Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. This is North Landing at Flamborough. You can tell it's Flamborough because of the chalky cliffs. The sea is really calm at the moment. The plan, this is Friday night as I'm recording this, the plan is to go out early doors tomorrow. However, this sea threat might change plans a little bit. It's beautifully clear, that water, but very calm at the moment. We may, if it's a bit sea threaty first thing, dabble a bit in this bay area. You might just be able to see the corners of the cliffs there, and there's another one there, and not go far out until it burns off. We're having an unseasonably warm September, and the conditions were right for a calm sea, so it seemed fortuitous to take advantage of it. The only snag is, don't know where we're going to stay the night, because the car park up at the top of the hill seems a little bit. But I might wait till the boys get here and see what they want to do. But you can barely hear that sea. Look how calm that is. Beautiful. The other fun bit is going to be getting the boats all the way from the top there down here. What would be fun to explore tomorrow is, can you see in there, there's like a cave. There's quite a few caves that you can kind of paddle into as far as I'm aware. So it'd be kind of fun to explore those if we can. This is the rundown from the old lifeboat at the top there, the old lifeboat station. Right, I've changed location. The car park at North Landing didn't look like it was going to be a good overnight option, so I've moved somewhere else. Unfortunately, Raf's van's broke down, so he's not going to be joining us until tomorrow morning. And Mr. 80 quid, he's gone for fish and chips. So that's a winner. Yeah. Me and Mr. 80 quid, we've been to the pub.
And now we sat round a campfire on my phone.
There he is in the dark. Right, and now we're sat round a campfire, just having a beer.
But we do feel warmer.
It does feel warm.
Psychologically, you feel warmer now. You can see a flame, can't you?
Anyway, we'll see you in the morning somewhere. Look at that. The conditions have turned out today much better than anticipated. So this is North Landing. Look at those chalky cliffs and that calm that water is. I'm going to cook some breakfast. It's only just gone 7 o'clock in the morning. Nun's Chuff's here, slurping out of his mug. And Mr. 80 quid, well, he's in the ladies' room. Say no more. Right, time to cook some breakfast.
I went to the first Tour de Yorkshire with him.
Yesterday.
Look at that, glorious, isn't it? Oh, joking here, joking. Glorious. Right, let's go. So I'm out in the Labia today, the freeing Labia. What a glorious day. Raf's also in the same craft. We've got Nun's Chuff out there in a Nitwit Tutti Frutti, and then over there Mr. 80 quid in the Gummatex Rush. So we're going to head up northwards in that direction to kind of Thornwick Bay area. Apparently there's some nice caves and stuff to explore. Quite a few people today have come down with paddle boards. There's some guys just going out there. It's lovely out here. Dave's taking the piss out of me for talking to the camera. How glorious is this? I've had to switch cameras over to the DJI Osmo because the batteries have gone in the GoPro, and I've left them in the car, the spares. Ah well. Got a seal out there near Dave, bobbing its head up. You might not pick it up on the camera. Looks great with the sun on the cliffs, doesn't it, eh? The guy out there in a fishing kayak. Then there's Dave with his wheels. So I've been sent to try out this rest tube swim buoy, and the reason they sent me it is because you can attach a camera to it and you can drag it behind you and get some interesting shots. And they said, you might like this. I said, I think I might. So they sent it to me to try out. So some of the footage you see today will be with the action camera on here. We'll see what that's like. You alright, Steve? Little cave there, look. I say little, quite big really, isn't it? It's horrible, isn't it? Nun's Chuff's just said he's never had such a crap day, and that's why we call him Nun's Chuff.
Hello.
Hello.
Not been at all, am I?
No, never. Gotta go and have a look, right? Oh, wow. Just stick a kayak in here. Wow. Oh, bloody hell. Wow, I didn't see this coming. Sheesh. Can you get out there? Wow. Here comes Mr. 80 quid. Oh, look at that. I've got both the entrance and the exit in here. This is so cool. Yeah, well, I was going to head out. Yeah, there's another little... No, I don't think you can get very far. It looks a bit tight. Oh, that was cool. I really enjoyed that. That's made my trip. And there we go, back into daylight.
Take that ravioli again.
Lovely. Thanks for sharing, Dave.
I will be in a bit. I get seasick.
Oh, that's a cracking beach over there. Looks like there's another cave here. Nun's Chuff's been in. Interesting, isn't it, all these caves? I mean, don't I just bring you to all the best places with all the worst people?
It's boring, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's dreadfully boring.
Yeah, I don't know why you come.
No, I don't either. Anyway, Batman and Robin over there, they've found another little paddle through, so let's go and do that one. In we go. Fascinating with all the layers in the rocks. Is it? What, do we got to go back? Oh yeah, it is. Huge. Imagine, but I was buried by the tube because of the catamaran aspect. I reckon we could get over there, huh? Oh, can you do it? I got to go back through because it's a bit too shallow for boats with skegs to get out on that side. Raph was just saying, this is so cool. It is cool. He's right. First time I think any of us have done anything like this. You might recall I said on the Lochs and Lakes trip that you just can't beat bobbing around on a big expanse of water. There's just something about it. Just paddled out a little bit beyond the headland and you can see Bempton Cliffs over there. That's where there's an RSPB, sorry, sanctuary. Lots of puffins and seabirds in those cliffs. If it was a bit clearer day, you'd actually be able to see all the way down to Filey around here. Well, not today, not yet anyway. So as I say, I know I call this the Labia, but this is the free-in ice-up kayak. Tell you what, for the money, 170 quid, you can't go wrong. Drop stitch floor, low pressure tubes, but it's just so versatile. For the money, you can't fault it. Cheapest combo kayak, as in drop stitch plus low pressure, that I've ever seen. Anybody want a wiggly worm?
We missed you last night. Awful.
I don't know what you're doing, but it's frosty.
Just look wrong being able to see through your bag. Isn't it?
What's in your bag, Angela?
Did you notice the directional control on the camera then? We have to flip the boat around to... Like, flip the boat around, there we
Almost
go.
like you're
Directional
a professional.
control.
Come on, let's get some paddling.
Let's reel you in. Come on, sunshine. And I'll have a look, see what that looks like when I get back to shore. I was able to control the camera just by flipping the boat, the back end of the boat around a bit to get it to point at certain things, so be interested to see what it looks like. Well, we've been bobbing around for a bit and just generally relaxing and chattering, and I've been playing with the camera on that res tube mount, and Dave wants to go and have a look, see if we can see the lighthouse. So we're just going to go and have a paddle around the other side.
You've got fancy lens on.
Look at that, jellyfish. Let's go and have a look in here, eh? This is a big one, look at that. Wow. Don't think the camera will pick that up, but that's really clear there. I don't have the polarizing lens on this camera, but yeah, fascinating and very green. Look how green that is. It goes further around here. Raft's gone a bit further. I didn't know it did. You can certainly feel it through the narrower bits, moving you around in the boat. Doesn't go far back, that, does it? Feels weird being in here. Feels dangerous, actually. I think it's the noise as well of the waves slapping up against it. Yeah, it's just the power of it. A few little breakers in this area. Awful out here. Absolutely awful. Another interesting bit, look. Bit of the swell taking you through here. Just get central to it, so we ride it through. There we go. Another big cave. Couldn't go very far back. Ooh, skegged out there a bit. Did you hear it? That was a bit concerning, but I'm alright, I'm past it. It is a very dramatic bit of coastline, is this? Look at that. And he's gone in. Bit fresh. Look at that fishing kayak. Pulling 2 lines behind him. Another one there. I've come over feeling a bit nauseous, so I'm heading back. Yeah, I don't feel well at all. I think it's a combination of being on the water after we had a few drinks last night.